Hello there, my name is Cynthia. In the previous video, we saw how Google Search Console works, in which we saw that ranking is a part of the process. There are more than 200 ranking factors which Google uses to sort and rank pages. In today's video, I will speak about 10 most important SEO ranking factors which matters the most. So let's get started. SEO requirements keep changing and it can be hard to keep up with the latest developments. Well-optimized websites get better rankings, more traffic over time, leading to more leads and sales. But if you want your web page to go from unseen to the top list of the SERP, you must know and optimize on these 10 important ranking factors, which is a blend of on-page, off-page and technical SEO. The first important ranking factor is the freshness of the content. For certain queries or search terms, only those pages will rank which have recently updated content. For example, on the SERP, when I search for coronavirus news in Mumbai, if I type, so you will see that the SERP will only show the latest and the recently updated content over here, that is 3 hours, 9 hours. So this type of query requires recently updated content. Let us see some other type of query. If I type best laptops, alright, so here in the SERP you will see that the current year is mentioned in the title everywhere. So here this is also a type of query which requires latest content, that is the current year content. But there are certain search terms which does not require latest content. For example, when I type air transport in Mumbai, so here you can see nowhere date is mentioned. So it is not necessary that the content added on the SERP is recent or latest. But there are certain terms which do not require recently updated content. So understand which type of search query you want to rank and accordingly create the content strategy. The second important ranking factor is the content intent. To understand the intent of why a user types a specific search term on Google, just type the search term on Google and check the content in the already ranking pages. For example, in the SERP, when I search for best laptops under 50,000, you will see that the content type is majorly listing. So I am just opening 2 to 3 ranking pages over here. You can see videos also. It is basically giving a list of laptops which are under 50,000. So you can see the content also. So there are a variety of laptops which are under 50,000. When I check some other website, similarly they are giving listing of various brands of laptops which fall under this category. So the content type of this type of keyword is listing. Similarly, when I search for best cafes in Mumbai, alright, so content type is also listing in this type of searches. So you can see the top 2 to 3 ranking sites where it will give you a list of cafes that are one of the best cafes in Mumbai. Let us say different type of search like how to cook brown rice. So when I'm adding such type of content, so basically it is a tutorial kind of content. Okay. So here you can see that it is showing the ingredients and it is like a how-to content. Okay, so when you're targeting such type of keywords, you need to write a how-to tutorial type of a content or a blog. When I search for what is alopecia areata, for example, this is a blog post which is highly informative and giving in-depth content to the readers. Like here you can see when I am opening one of the websites, so it is giving me in-depth content regarding the topic. Alright, so based on your keyword, you need to understand what type of content you need to write. So understand which search term has which type of content intent and accordingly plan your content strategy. The next important ranking factor is the content quality. Content is the king in digital marketing. High ranking content refers to in-depth content that covers a broad spectrum of its respective subject. Content must provide real value to the reader and should incorporate engaging videos and images to complement the written text. Make sure that your content is completely factual, identify the content gap, and work on providing meaningful content to your readers. Remember that quality beats quantity every time. So focus on adding value to the readers through your content and not just on increasing the word count. The next important ranking factor is meta tags. Meta tags are elements that provide important information about the page to search engines. The three most important meta tags that you need to optimize are title, description, and headers. On SERP, you need to rely on your page's title and description to get searchers to click on your ad. Your title is the topic of the page on which content is written. Meta description gives a summary about the page's content or direct answer to your query. Your focus keyword must be added in the title and description in the natural way. So you can see this is the focus keyword which has been added in the title as well as in the description in a natural way. On your page, even your headers, especially the H1, should contain the target keyword. Similarly, throughout the content, the target keyword should be added a few times. Make sure not to spam the content with keyword stuffing, as such content will not add any value to your users and will be penalized by Google. The next important ranking factor is website security. Websites which have HTTPS protocol are called secure websites, and security is a top priority for Google. This is actually an official ranking factor from August 2014. It is highly recommended that you move your websites from HTTP to HTTPS to avoid any mishaps in the future as far as Google updates are concerned. The next important ranking factor is page speed. Page speed has become more crucial because of mobile first indexing approach from Google. Websites with slow page speed will have a harder time ranking at the top results. Additionally, websites which have lesser loading time are also preferred by users. To check your website's page speed, visit this link which I have added in the description box. All you have to do is add your URL and click on Analyze. Here you can see that it will show you your mobile and desktop page speed. If your page speed is less, it will also give you suggestions and options as to what are the things you need to optimize in order to increase your page speed. So send these details to your developer and it will be done. The next important ranking factor is user experience. Google has been using artificial intelligence to better rank web pages. How many people click on your SEO ad? How many people visit your website and then bounce back? How much time people spend on your website are the things that Google calculates. If people come on your website and then bounce away, then Google will think that it is not a relevant page to their needs. If enough people do this, you will find a harder time to rank on the SERP. Hence, to enhance user experience, it is important to add relevant and meaningful content. The website's ambience should be very neat. The text and the images added on the web page should be visible properly and easy to read. The links redirecting to other pages should not have any errors. The next important ranking factor is mobile friendliness of the website. Along with an enhanced user experience on desktop, your website should also be mobile friendly. The page loading time, the display of the text, the display of the images and videos should fit properly to the screen size of the mobile, and also it should be easy to read and navigate. You can test your page for mobile friendliness on this link which I have added in the description box. Just copy paste your URL and click on test. So remove this analyzing time. So here you can see that your website is mobile friendly. If it is mobile friendly, it will display in green that the page is mobile friendly, and if it is not, it will show according to that. The next important factor is internal linking. Linking to your own website's pages can help bind them together for both Google as well as your website visitors. This makes each page more valuable. Be sure to build solid web of internal links to your website so that your pages can support each other and increase the page authority. Internal linkings to pages not only increase their authority but also help Google understand what they are about. Make sure that you do not leave any page orphan, that is, without being linked from any other page. You can see which pages have been linked together on Google Search Console. Here you can click on links, and here under internal linking click on more. So it will show you the list of links which have been linked within your website. The last but the most important and strongest ranking factor is backlinks. Backlinks means getting links from other websites to your website. The more links you have from multiple authority domains, the better your chances are to rank well for top keywords. SEOs should pay close attention to their website's backlink profile. To satisfy Penguin 4.0 update, make sure that there are no spammy backlinking or low quality backlink profiles made. Do not over optimize on your exact match anchor text. Take links from niche websites which have significant traffic and do not build links just for the sake of it. Add value through the content that you add on the other websites. So there you go. Optimize your websites for these 10 ranking factors and see the change in the SERP rank. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will see optimizing on the 3 pillars of SEO, that is on-page SEO, off-page SEO and technical SEO. Till then, stay tuned.